Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to open the terminal in Visual Studio Code. First, open Visual Studio Code. At the top of the window, you'll find the menu bar. Simply click on Terminal, and in the drop-down, you'll see the option for New Terminal. Click that, and the terminal will appear at the bottom of the screen, ready to use. Visual Studio Code allows you to open different types of terminals. If you need to open another type of terminal, such as PowerShell or Command Prompt, you can click the plus icon in the Terminal tab. Each new terminal will open in a separate session, allowing you to work with different processes at the same time. You can also open the terminal using shortcuts based on your operating system. For Windows, you can press Ctrl plus, backtick. On macOS, the shortcut is CMD plus, backtick, and for Linux, it's also Ctrl plus, backtick. Once the terminal is open, you can start typing commands and running scripts right inside Visual Studio Code. And if you need more terminals, just click the plus icon to open additional ones. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye-bye.